Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get all kinds of foods in Subnautica 2 early in game, and I'll show you all the ways you can get the food and how to get the digestion adaptation. So first of all, you'll need to unlock the black box and at the location, which is the first one, which is going to get unlocked, and here you'll see this black box which you'll want to open. And above this base, above this platform, you'll see this angel comb in which you want to insert your hand into, and it is going to give you the digestion adaptation. Now, to get the food that you'll need to digest, it is pretty simple. You just want to go to the beginning biome and search for some normal fishes, just like this one, the half moon, which you can just pick it up with your hand. Also, there's this guy, the harvest moon. And lastly, there should be a bluefish, which is right here, and it's called blue moon. The blue moon is going to give you then food and water, while the others are going to give you food and give you some dehydration. So, now once you've gathered some fishes, you can go to the fabricator, and in the sustenances tab, you'll see that you can cook them. Also, these blueprints are going to get unlocked once you've found or harvested those fishes. And as you can see, the blue moon is the only fish that is going to give you the water. Also, there's a 4-fish birdie, which I haven't gotten, but it is the same as the harvest moon. So now, to get some better foods without fishes, you'll need to gather some fibrous pulp. Fibrous pulp can be gathered from these plants, which contain the lucifer rod sac, and using the survival multi-tool you can cut the bottom of the plant, and you'll get fibrous pulp. Also, you can get fibrous pulp from feather kelp, which is found in caves, just like this one, and it is a kind of red feathery bush, which you can also cut with the survival multi-tool. So, once you've gathered some fibrous pulp, you can go back to the fabricator, and once again, in the sustenance, you'll see a option oily salad, which requires 2 fibrous pulps, and it is going to give you 20 food. This is a really good option, because fibrous pulp can be found anywhere, and it is easy to craft. Nextly, you'll see some Moon Timaki, which is going to get unlocked once you've collected all of these fishes that you see here. The half moon, harvest moon, blue moon, and fibrous pulp, and it is going to give you some health and 60 food. Also, once you craft it, it is going to take a bit longer, but once you craft it, it is going to give you 3 times the Moon Timaki. So this is really a good food. For you, so you can go ahead and use this one. And as I said, it is going to unlock the Trimutimaki once you've gathered all of the fishes that you see here. So this is pretty much all, how to get the beginning food. And now we can look at the other option, which is not food but water. And water can be gathered easily. Also, in the beginning biome, you want to look for water slugs, which usually are in these grassy areas, and they look like this. They are on the ground. They are a little transparent slugs. So you can gather them just like this. And you can eat them raw, which is going to give you 15 water, but it is going to starve you a little bit. Or you can go to the fabricator in your base and craft them into some normal water. As you can see, this is much more useful if you craft them into the water, because it is going to give you a lot more water and it is not going to starve you. Hope you found this helpful, and make sure to like and subscribe if you did. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.